Portable 4-in-1 gas detector operation guide, power on and off. First, press and hold the power button of the device, and the indicator light will turn on immediately. Turn it on and enter the warm-up state. After the warm-up is over, enter the main interface. Press the power button for a long time. Wait for the screen to go out, and the shutdown is complete. The Portable 4-in-1 gas detector operation guide, system menu. After booting into the main interface, click the power button to enter the verification password interface. Press the right button to increase the value, and press the power button to shift. The initial password is for 1 South. Press the power button to confirm when the input is complete. After entering the system menu, you can click the left and right arrow keys and select the function settings. Portable 4-in-1 gas detector operation guide, channel settings. After entering the main interface of the system menu, select channel settings to enter. Click the arrow keys to select the gas channel. Click the power button to enter the gas channel settings. Select the channel name to set the gas name. Press the power button to confirm. Select the range unit. You can set the gas range unit. Select Alarm 1 to set gas alarm understatement. Select Alarm 2 to set the gas high alarm value. After the setting is completed, select Save and return to the main interface of the system menu. The Portable 4-in-1 gas detector operation guide, time set. Select time settings to enter. After entering, you can set the year, month, day, hour, and second. Select the time to be set, press the power button to enter, and press the arrow keys to increase or decrease the number. The setting is complete. Select Save and press the power button to confirm. Portable 4-in-1 gas detector operation guide, system setup. Select System Settings to enter. Channel settings can choose to close or open the gas channel. Language settings can switch between Chinese or English. Select the background brightness to adjust the screen brightness. Setup complete, select Save and return to the system menu. Portable 4-in-1 gas detector operation guide, alarm recording. Select Alarm Record to enter. Press the arrow keys to turn the page. Long press the power button to return to the system menu. Portable 4-in-1 gas detector operation guide, 0 settings. Select 0 setting to enter. Different gases can be selected for the selected gas channel. Press the power button to confirm. After the 0 point value stabilizes, select Confirm Save to return to the system menu. Portable 4-in-1 gas detector operation guide, real-time graph. On the main interface of gas detection, press the left and right arrow keys to switch the real-time graph of each gas channel. Portable 4-in-1 gas detector operation guide, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Select Bluetooth Wi-Fi settings to enter. You can choose to turn on or off Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. After the setting is completed, select Save to return to the system menu.